how to change profile picture on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your profile picture on TikTok. Let's dive right in. Open up your TikTok app, go to your profile in the bottom right corner, and then beside the username, you can see edit option, tap on it, and then tap on change photo. And then you can either take a live photo, upload photo, or you can view your existing profile picture. So if you want to upload from a gallery, tap on upload photo. And then you'll need to choose a picture from your gallery. After you have chosen a picture, you can adjust it. You can just pinch the screen, drag it around, and then you can hit save. So that's it. It's as simple as that. You have changed your profile picture. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.